Forming opposites using prefixes. To form opposites I use the prefixes. I use eel when the word starts with L. Legal, illegal. When the word starts with R I use ear. Regular, irregular. When the word starts with P or M I use M. Polite, impolite, moral, immoral. When the word starts with D or C I use in. Correct, incorrect, definite, indefinite. When the word starts with K, S, B or U I use un. Kind, unkind, safe, unsafe, block, unblock. When the word starts with A, H or O I use dis. Honest, dishonest, obey, disobey. Now let's practice, kids. I choose the appropriate prefix. Incomplete, in. Unkind, un. Immature, im. Irresponsible, ir.